Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mr. Cooper for mortgage account tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into your Mr. Cooper mortgage account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.mrcooper.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once the home page appears, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Double-check your entries for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. After a short moment, you will be logged into your account. Here, you can track your mortgage and manage your account. If you encounter any issues during the process, look for the Help section on the website. This section often contains troubleshooting tips and contact information for customer support. Now you're ready to manage your mortgage efficiently through Mr. Cooper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.